Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how the feature Guide Me in Magian works. Guide Me was designed to help you find out what are the best and most impactful methods of Magian that you can use in sequence, one after the other or in parallel, in order to achieve your objectives when you are treating your problem statement. In my example, we're talking about a retail store called Excelsior. The problem statement is very simple. I clicked on it and it says that Excelsior has released an RFP. They are looking for a strategic digital partner to support the responsible and value-driven adoption of Gen AI across its entire business. And then there are some more information. And now what you want to do in order to tackle this problem, there are many methods in Magian, but you want to know which are the most impactful in order to achieve your objective. So on the left navigation, you have Guide Me as a new feature. You click on that and it will ask you, what do you want to achieve? And here I will say, I want to get the best innovation themes that I can develop in order to propose differentiating measures and solutions for the client. So this is what you want to achieve. And of course, you can write anything here. Whatever your objectives are, you can type it in. And then you click on the button Suggest Methods. When you do that, Magian will go across all the 110 methods in its arsenal and find out what are the best methods to use in order to achieve your objectives that you just typed in by assessing the problem statement, the background information that you've put on the client. And as you can see here, it gives you a simple sequence where you can use win themes as a method or use case, and it provides you the why. And then there's advanced sequence where it tells you to do a problem scope, apply the problem scope method, then the SWOT analysis or SOAR, and then the blue ocean strategy, technology foresight, and proof of concept. And it also tells you the why. And if you're happy with that, you can click on Convert Work to Workflow. When you click on Convert to Workflow, as you can see here on the left now, there's your workflows. This is your own workflow that you can create in order to orchestrate what are the methods that you want to use one after the other in order to achieve your objective. And if you do Convert to Workflow, a new workflow will be added under the title Your Workflow. So I click on this now. And of course, this is the LLM's suggestion, but humans are better. So you can always ignore the suggestion and try a new one or add to the suggestion. Now it tells you saved workflow added to your workflows. So if you close it now and you go on workflows, you will see there is a new workflow added. And if you click on that, it gives you a small description of what it does. And if you say, you click on the tick, as you can see, when you open the question mark, which has the workflow, there is the new workflow now. You do the problem scope, SWOT and SOAR, blue ocean strategy, tech foresight, proof of concept. So now you can say, okay, if you close this now and you add this workflow, apply workflow, it will apply the node to your existing mind map, strategic here. And here you can click on this one, enter the context, some more information about what you want to do. And to guide you, you click on the question mark here and you know that you have to do problem scope now. So if you click on problem scope, it will open that node for you, the context, and it will go directly on problem scope. And then here you can apply the method as you do. Thank you so much.